Hello, everybody. Today is Thursday, March the 26th, 2015. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the daily moving average video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer, which should be coming across your screen shortly. All right, so let's jump right into um, some setups, some trades, etc. We are currently in three positions, so we're going to look at those positions firstly. Two of them are Euro trades. One's a Euro dollar, one's a Euro Aussie, and the other one is a Aussie Kiwi. Okay. Um, so let's jump right into the swing of things from a moving average standpoint. Um, first, first we have the Euro Aussie trade setup. Okay. As of late, we are looking for the pair to the top side. Okay. In this fashion, we have the pair currently holding the 50 period SMA. We do like seeing prices of this magnitude or price action of this magnitude for a plethora of reasons. One is we broke above the trendline resistance, now turn support. So support just around that 138.80 marker. All right. Members just sign in for the stop levels on this pair, but then at the same time we also have the rising trend line. Okay. um, and then targets just sign in for the target areas as well. But then ideally, first up is going to be the 200 period SMA, the pink area here. Ideally, we would like to see prices really hold above this 50 period SMA, but then not too far away is again that rising trend line, which will also ideally contain upside pressure. Mixed with the fact that we also have bullish momentum divergence, which calls for higher levels. Okay. In our Ellie Wave dip video that we did a couple of days ago, just sign in and just go to the most recent Ellie Wave video. You can also see previous videos as well. We try to cover different setups daily. But still looking for some topside momentum on the Euro Aussie. Okay, so again, key areas, reasons why on the Euro Aussie. Meanwhile, the Euro Dollar, we widen our stops on this pair um, for clear reasons. One is the rising trend line. Two, again, very similar to the Euro Aussie, is the resistance turn support. Okay, so again, very similar. We do like topside. We've seen one, two, three swings for then ideally the next big resistance zone for the euro dollar is going to be the 200 period the 200 period SMA on the forward chart. Another key picture for this pair is the fact that the 50 period SMA has broken above the 100 period SMA on the forward chart. And we're looking to see some follow through. As long as this remains the fact, while prices hold above first degree pivot at 106, then again, upside is ideal for the euro dollar. On the other angle is the Aussie Kiwi. All right. Aussie Kiwi, so far we are contained by this 50 period SMA, but we do like to the upside as the pair recently broke above the descending trend line on this 4-hour chart. And now we look for prices to really stay above that area. As long as prices stay above, actually, right now, current price action, then we look for a next move for the prices to get above this 50 period SMA, which would then put focus on the 100 and 200, which is at 103.83. By that point, we'll be at break even. We got long around current prices 103.13, so only 3 pips higher. By the time we'll see what prices are by the time this video is released. But again, you guys already got the alert via SMS, email, chat room, etc. Um, but this is the setup, ideal setup. Again, first was the breakout. Now we look for prices to get above this 50 period SMA and then look for the continuation move higher on this pair. We also have some deeper divergence than we seen on the euro dollar and on the euro Aussie. This one dating back to December. Okay. Um, Again here. All right. So dating back to December, bullish momentum divergence again. This pair has been beaten down for a long period of time. Um, for lack of better words, here again, Aussie Kiwi daily chart. You can see actually this dates back even further, going back towards July 2013. Again, divergence, divergence, divergence. Ideally, as long as these recent lows hold, if this is the low, then looking towards 120, 124. We'll see. Let's keep an eye on prices thus far. This is the weekly chart. Let's pull up the 50 period SMA on this weekly setup. Okay, so pretty far away. The 50 period is around 107.80. Okay, 107.80. Maybe by that point it'll be around 107. The 50 period really doesn't hold up too well on the weekly chart of the Aussie Kiwi, but looking at the daily, similar until the downside really followed through. But again, let's keep focus on the short time frames and then look higher as prices tend to favor out. Okay. Um, Now going back to the 4 hour time frames for the moving averages, let's look at some future pairs. Pound dollar. Pound dollar, I do like to the upside. Prices have slipped above the 50 period. Ideally, look for prices to stay above for a continuation moves higher. Mixing this price action, we also have rising trendline support. We have some wicks down to the bottom side, so I don't rule out a reversal, which is ideal. Top side resistance, again, we have the 200, we have the 100, not too far, and then also a trend line at 149.86. I'll also write a trade setup on this area as well, technical piece. Because right now we're getting trapped into the zone. Ideally, you see this is a triangle. If I actually shorten the time frame a little bit more, but you tend to see triangles and B and fourth waves. So if this is the B or fourth wave, whatever the case is, then you're looking at 152 into the 155.50 area. Actually, there's already a technical piece already written. So just go to the technical analysis section, and then just scroll through. Here it goes, euro dollar and pound dollar setups. And then here is that pound dollar that I'm talking about with that descending trend line, the momentum divergence, etc. Okay, so watch out for that. Again, we're holding bottom side now. Top side is around 149.70, 149.80, going forward. And then the other pair want to keep a close eye on is this dollar yen, as we have already slipped to the downside. Okay, we've already slipped to the downside. The 50 period crossed below the 100 and is now on the 200. So I do like continuation moves lower. Again, this is a piece that we have also written on the technical part. So just again, go to technical setups and scroll through. All right, so keep a close eye on those few setups. This is the dollar yen. Also looking at the Aussie Kiwi, the Euro Aussie, and then also the Euro dollar. All right, guys. We'll post the alleyway video overnight into tomorrow, and then we'll keep you guys informed on the setups that we currently are in. All right, cheers and good luck trading.